This video I'm going to teach you how to actually navigate through this platform called Bittoken. So Bittoken is actually a cryptocurrency, or let me just say it's a meme coin, but it's a stable coin. Yeah, let me say it's a stable coin because it has a fixed value. So now this Bittoken is actually one of the rising coins right now. So, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about it. So when you click on the link below this video, you are going to be brought up to the sign up page where you are going to put your email, your password and all. So after that, you'll be asked for your Telegram ID. So to get your Telegram ID, around that place you are going to see a yellow button. Yeah, around that place that they're asking you for Telegram ID, you're going to see a yellow button that they write BOT on it. Just click that yellow button. It will redirect you to your Telegram account where you're going to get your Telegram ID from the Bittoken Telegram bot. So when you get your Telegram ID, come back to the site and paste it. Then it will ask you for one simple math like that, maybe 3 times 2 or anything. Just answer it and click on continue. Then when you click on continue, then you are going to now do OTP verification. They will send OTP to that Telegram bot. So all you just have to do is to go to your Telegram and get the 4 digits number, then come back here, post it and log in. So once you have your account registered, then you'll be brought to this page that you're seeing right now. So let me explain something. So now this RP is what we are mining, and for every hour you get 30 RPs. You can see it here, 30 RP per hour. So now this miner works for 2 hours. So every 2 hours, just come and claim your RP. And if we get if you get 30 RPs per hour, then in 2 hours you'll be getting 60 RPs. So in a day, if you multiply 60 times 24, you know how many RPs that you are going to be getting. So you just have to be coming here every 2 hours to claim it, since you don't have a miner yet. Now that's about this miner that you are seeing right now. So just come here every 2 hours to come and claim it. So now other ways you can earn more RPs is by coming to your profile. Yeah, when you come to your profile, you need to come here and put all your social media accounts profile links. Yeah, when you click on that, okay, when you click on view or edit, yeah, when you click on this, it will take you to the page where you're going to put all your details. You see now your contact details, your name, your email, your phone number. You can see that as well. You put it here, you put your name, you put your phone number, then you click on update details, and it is going to be updated successfully. So now to put your social media links, just tap on coming. So to put your what's it called, your social media details and all, just come to edit profile here, switch to that place, then you put your Twitter, what's it called, you put your Twitter username, Facebook and all. Then you make sure you set up all the profile. So after you have done your profile, then you come to the end section here that you're seeing right now. This place, come there, then you do all this task. So I've not done it because I want to explain to you guys. So you do all the task as per the profile you have connected. If it is Telegram and Twitter, you connect, you do Telegram and Twitter task. Make sure you connect before you come and do all these tasks that are actually here to earn more RPs. So now like I said, that's another way to earn. And another way to earn is by getting a booster, which will require you to deposit USDT. So if you click on that, you go to where you get your booster. So that booster is actually a miner. So, and to buy a miner, you need to deposit. Now for you to be able to withdraw from this platform, you will need to do KYC. So how do you do your KYC? So to do your KYC, you just have to come to your wallet section here. When you get to your wallet section, you are going to see this. As you can see, now you are going to see this one. Now all you just have to do is to click on this P2P that you're seeing right now. You need to do KYC before you can withdraw. So when you click on P2P, it is going to take you to this place. So to do your KYC, the only available one right now is the premium KYC, which require you to deposit at least $1. They will give you the USDT BEP 20 address to deposit at least $1. You can deposit $3, $5, anyhow. At the end of the day, it will still be in your wallet. And when you want to convert your Bittoken, or after you have converted your BTT to USDT, it will add up with the USDT that you have there before. So once you deposit and it reflects, then you'll be able to do your ID verification, and also you'll be able to your face verification. So minimum is 1 USDT. You can deposit 3. You can deposit. So I'm going to do my KYC right now. I've not done it because of this video tutorial that I want to make. So that the page will still be active for me to explain. So after you have deposited, they'll open the portal for you to do your ID card verification and face verification. Then by then you'll be able to trade your Bittoken. Now I think it's every 16. Yeah, every 16 of every month, your whatever RP that you have mined will be converted to BTT. So right now, as you can see, my my all my whatever all my bits RPs was converted to BTT, and as you can see, this is what I have right now. That's 3158. That's what I have right now. And I think that's for this month or so. Yes, that's for this month. Every 16 of every month, whatever bit token that you have be converted, whatever RP that you have rather will be converted to BTT. So right now you can see this is the BTT that I have right now. So, and if you check the rate of this one now, so as you can see, one BTT is listing at 0.5. You see, one BTT is listing at 0.5. So if you multiply 907 times 0.05, let's do the calculation. 907 times 0.5. So this is the amount of USDT that I have right now that is in BTT equivalence. So now, and this was converted, I think yesterday, because yesterday was 16. It was converted today rather. So every 16th of every month, so your BTT that you have mined for that month will be converted. So far I've mined 63 more BTT, and you can see the equivalent right now. So for somebody that have done KYC now, yeah, that have done your KYC successfully, you'll be able to do P2P and change your BTT to USDT, of which it will show here. Your whatever that you have converted to USDT will show there, and you can just withdraw it. You see, you'll be able to withdraw here. So that is that about. You need to do KYC before you can actually do this KYC and all, and be able to withdraw your funds. Minimum is 1 USDT to do KYC, but you can deposit more. It will still show your USDT balance. So if you want to deposit, just make sure you deposit nothing less than 1 USDT. So that's that about this platform. And let's say you have any issues, any issues that you are facing, you can just click on this button to message their support. Click on that to message their support, and you can use your USDT that you have gotten to buy a booster. And make sure, if you want to invite too, you can just come to this team section. Click on team section, and when you click on team section, you'll be able to see your referral link to invite your friends and people and earn from referrals too. So that is how it works.